Go home happy with the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, alarm, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.